Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Journey of English Grammar. My dear friends, in last video we have discussed what is noun and pronoun, and along with this we have discussed what are the types of noun and pronoun. And now in this video we are going to discuss what is an adjective and what are the types of adjective. My dear friends, before watching this video, please watch my earlier video in which I have discussed what is noun and what are the types of noun. Because if you watch that video before this, then definitely you can understand this topic very well. Okay, and the link of those videos I have given in the description box. So let's start to understand what is an adjective. See, adjective is the word which gives extra information about noun or pronoun is called an adjective. Here, extra information about noun or pronoun is very much important because this is the word, means adjective is the word which gives us extra information about noun or pronoun. For example, see, this is the ball, and if I say this is the circular ball, this is the black ball, this is the big ball. In all these three sentences, big, circular, black, all these are the adjectives because these words are giving extra information about that ball. Here, all these words are describing words because these words means adjectives describes that particular noun. Adjectives describes that particular noun. Okay, and that's why adjective is a describing word. To understand this definition clearly, I have splitted this word into two, like this: add and adjective. Add means extra information and adjective means noun, and it is extra information about noun. Okay, this is what the definition of adjective is. To understand this, I have taken here two examples. In first picture there is baby girl, okay, and in second picture there is cake. And to describe these two nouns, means baby girl is also noun and cake is also noun. Okay, and to describe these words, to give extra information about these nouns, I have taken here some words. See, to describe baby girl, that baby girl is beautiful, then smart, cute, fair, active, small and short. All these are the describing words. They are describing that girl. Okay, and in second example, that cake is there. That to describe this cake, I have taken here nice cake, then guitar shaped cake, pink and white cake, then tasty cake and big cake. It means what? All these words are describing this cake, are giving extra information about this cake. That's why adjective is nothing but describing word, or we can say it gives an extra information about noun or pronoun. This is what about adjective. Now next point is, if we know what is an adjective, but we must know that where the place of that adjective is in the sentence. And the place of an adjective in the sentence is, first one is before noun and second one is after predicate. Predicate means verb. Okay. For example, see, first example is I visit a great scientist. And in this example, great is an adjective. Okay, and it is there before this noun scientist. Okay, this is the first place, that is before noun. And in second sentence, see, second sentence is Rani is smart. And in this sentence, smart is an adjective and it is after this verb, that is predicate. Okay, these are the two places where you can find adjectives in the sentences. Now let's see the types of adjectives. There are 7 types of adjectives. There are 3 more types of adjectives, but here we are going to focus these 7 important types of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality, second adjectives of quantity, then adjectives of numbers, distributive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and last one is possessive adjectives. Okay, these are the 7 types of adjectives. Let's see one by one. Okay, first is adjectives of quality. See, what is this? The adjective which gives extra information of, or we can say information of color, then size, shape, good qualities, bad qualities, and type of something or someone. Here something or someone means noun, is called an adjective of quality. Means what? Adjective of quality tells us the color of that noun, size, shape, good qualities, bad qualities, and type of that particular noun. For example, see here I have taken two examples. First one is ball and second one is Ram. Both are the nouns. And to describe these nouns, to give extra information about these nouns, I have used these adjectives. First one is circular, then nice, then big and red. Means circular ball, nice ball, big ball, red ball. But here what it indicates is circular is the shape of that ball. Nice is the good quality of that ball. Then big, size of that ball, red, color of that ball. And that's why all these are the adjectives of quality. Okay. In the second example, Ram is there, and to describe Ram, to tell how that Ram is, I have used here these four words. First one is handsome, then tall, smart and fat. All these words are telling us the qualities of that Ram, and that's why these are also adjectives of quality. Okay, now next point is, see, that adjectives of quantity. These are the adjectives, see, the adjective which shows the quantity of the noun. This is most important part. The quantity of the noun is called an adjective of quantity. And when you are going to identify those words or those adjectives, how you can identify? Okay. First, what you have to do, you just ask the question how much to the noun, which is after that adjective. Okay. And second trick is there, that always these adjectives, means adjectives of quantity, come before uncountable noun. And uncountable noun means, you know very well that uncountable nouns we can't count in numbers. Those are uncountable nouns. They don't have plural forms. Those are uncountable nouns. If that adjective is before uncountable noun, then that is adjective of quantity. For example, see here, first example is I need more jam. And in this example, more is an adjective of quantity. Because here this jam is noun and this is uncountable noun. And second trick of which I told you, that is, if I ask the question to this jam that how much jam, then answer will be more, and that is adjective of quantity. In second example, my friend has sufficient meal. Here meal is uncountable noun and sufficient is adjective of quantity. Because if I ask how much meal, then answer will be sufficient. Again, in third example, they have little time. Here little is an adjective and time is an uncountable noun. Okay, all these are the adjectives of quantity. Then which are those adjectives? See, much, enough, sufficient, all, no, any, half, whole, little, etc. All these are the adjectives of quantity. This is what about adjectives of quantities. Now next point is adjectives of number. What is this? This is the adjective which shows the number and the position of the noun. Here number and position you have to remember. Number and position of the noun is called an adjectives of number. Here again, how we can identify those adjectives? Here also you have to ask one question to the noun, that is how many. Okay, and second trick is these adjectives come before countable noun. Countable noun means what? That we can count those nouns in numbers. Okay, or we can say that they have plural form. For example, see in first example there are 3 books. Here books is countable noun because we can count those books in one number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And also they have plural forms. Here book, books, like that. And before that there is an adjective, that is 3. Okay, that is 3, and 3 is adjective of number. Then we can ask the question that how many books are there? Then answer will be 3. Okay, in second example, see I got first rank in 10th class. Rank. Here again it is also countable noun. Okay, and that's why this first is an adjective of number. Then which are those adjectives? See 1, 2, then first, second, all, some, many, more, several, etc. All these are the adjectives of number. Now there is one question in your mind, definitely I know it, because some adjectives from quantity and some adjectives from number are the same. Then how can we identify whether it is adjective of quantity or adjective of number? To understand this, just go for the difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of numbers. See, when we think of adjectives of quantity and adjectives of numbers, let's understand this difference, that adjectives of quantity answers the question how much, and adjectives of number answers the question how many. For example, see, here in the example of adjectives of quantity, I have taken the example, I bought enough oil. Okay, I bought enough oil. Here, enough is an adjective of quantity. And oil is here noun, and it is uncountable noun. And before that, there is an adjective, and that is adjective of quantity. And in adjectives of number, I have taken the example, that is, they have few books. Here, few is an adjective of number, because here books is countable noun, and before that I have used this adjective, and that's why it is adjective of number. Again, if I ask the question how many books, then I will get the answer few, and that's why this is adjective of number. Then second difference is there, that use before uncountable noun, means adjectives of quantity always we use them before uncountable noun, and adjectives of number we use them before countable noun. This is the second difference. For example, see, there is little water in the jar. Here, little is an adjective, and we have used this little before this noun, uncountable noun, water. Water is an uncountable noun. And in second, means adjectives of number, I have taken the example that all men and women must have humanity. Here, all is an adjective of number, and men and women, these both are countable nouns. Means, to understand the difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number, please try to understand this. Okay, now it's your turn. What you have to do, that you have to solve this task. Here I have given 5 sentences, and what you have to do, you have to find out adjectives here, and then try to point out that types of adjective also, and write your answers in comment box. I will check it out. Okay, in next lecture we are going to learn remaining types of adjective. Those are demonstrative adjectives, then distributive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and last one is possessive adjective. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If it is useful to you, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.